आँखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं, हो आँखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं। दिल को बना दे जो पतंग सांसें ये तेरी वो हवाएं हैं। आँखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं, हो आँखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं। दिल को बना दे जो पतंग सांसें ये तेरी वो हवाएं हैं। ऐसी रात है जो बहुत खुश नसीब है, चाहे जिसे दूर से दुनिया वो मेरे करीब है। कितना कुछ कहना है फिर भी है दिल में सवाल कहीं, सपनों में जो रोज कहा है वो फिर से कहूँ या नहीं। आँखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं, हो आँखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं। दिल को बना दे जो पतंग सांसें ये तेरी वो हवाएं हैं। तेरे साथ साथ ऐसा कोई नूर आया है, चांद तेरी रोशनी का हल्का।
ले जाए भैया, हमसे नहीं संभल रही है। संजीव जहां भी हो आके ले जाए इन्हें।
फिलहाल I'm staying with Mukesh. Firstly, I want to welcome all of you from Dimple and Chand from their side for the 25th wedding anniversary. I just want to tell you guys, both of you, I know fairy tales do exist. My God, but thank you for making it reality. Many congratulations, many happy returns of the day, and I wish we will be here for 50th as well soon. God bless you guys. When we say 25 years, I just want to just give you guys a little summary of it. It's 9,125 days, 15,000 hours, 100 million minutes. Yes, believe it or not, these two have been together that long with 3 beautiful children, with love and laughter, made through 25 years. So happy anniversary, you guys, and really many happy returns of the day.
Namaste everyone, I'm Padmini Makam. A warm welcome to everyone. I will now start with the Ganesha Vandanam. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurumi Deva Sarvakarishu Sarvada. We salute our Supreme Lord Ganapati, who has a curved trunk and whose radiance is equal to 1,000,000 suns. May you bless all our endeavors and remove all obstacles from our path. Now I will chant the Nirvana Shaktam. All of you stay relaxed. Please close your eyes and chant the fourth line with me. And if you can kindly keep your eyes closed, it'll be really good. न च श्रोत्रजीवे न च घ्राणनेत्रे न जाति भेदः पिता नैव मे नैव माता न जन्म न बन्धुर्न मित्रं गुरुर्नैव शिष्यः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् अहं निर्विकल्पो निराकाररूपः विभुर्व्याप्य सर्वत्र सर्वेन्द्रियाणां सदा मे समत्वं न मुक्तिर्न बन्धः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम्।
डिम्पल, तुमसे एक बात पूछनी थी। ना तो तुम सुंदर हो, ना हॉट हो, इतना एटीट्यूड लाती कहाँ से हो?
ये तो उनसे पूछो जो हमारे सपने देखते हैं।
Yes, that is it. Somebody who dreams about her. I would like to introduce Chandra Mohan Singh for tonight to welcome you and kick off the evening. It will be a speech. I hope it's not too boring. It won't be, I promise. But here's our Chand. We call him Chand. You take her dreams. She's your dream queen, right? And here you are.
So, I don't know what to say, but here's what I'm going to say is, she's been love of my life the day I saw her, the first time. The first time I saw her, I said, wow, okay. Yes, I will. But this is the few things I have to say out of the speech. So,
Breaking the rules over
yes,
here.
breaking the rules. So, it's wonderful to stand in front of you guys. It's like really. I'm happy to see so many happy faces over here. Few people from here, they attended my wedding 25 years ago.
Can we have you stand up, please? Whoever attended our wedding.
Oh, you can. I cannot see you.
Yeah, you can put it. Yeah, good, yeah.
Okay, so people they were there at our wedding were Sanjay Alka, Big Heart, Prashant and Pragati. Pragati is not here today, she is in India, but Prashant. Tushar Rupa, they are coming a little late. Vikas ji, Taruna. So all these people were here. I really want to thank you guys. Okay. Then I have, these are my friends from the college. Now I have my extended family here in Northwest Indiana, Omkara Vansh. Without them, we are not complete. So, thank you guys. And when I say, okay, so I say, in my family, Dimple is the rock. She is the glue, holds the family together here in India, Nagpur, Bareilly, Bombay, all those places. She's the one who's taking, I'm the aloof guy, it's like, okay, get this thing done, she takes care of it. And when I say rock, she is really a rock who was lost too many rocks actually. I'm talking about diamonds. She has lost so many diamond rings and earrings. I cannot believe it. She didn't lose me. Okay? Yeah. So it's like, you know, no matter what, still I love you. Okay? And 25 years, been wonderful years. I thought I was happy before I met her. Then I realized, no, it's much better now. It's like, I'm happiest. Then 3 beautiful children, Neil, Devon, Sanya. I'm gonna tell you, these 3 kids, they are so good. A father always desires 3 good kids. 2 boys and a girl, my family is complete. And then expectations have gone higher. And I want to say one more thing here, it is that in my heart, and I believe same for Dimple, I still feel the same way when I met her. You know, no matter what happens, at the end of the day, my love and everything is with Dimple, and without her, nothing is possible.
That's true.
Even this party was not possible without her.
That's right.
She is the one who takes the credit for doing every single thing.
Yes, totally.
Thank you. Here's my beautiful wife, Dimple. She will say a few words. Thank you.
All right, the problem is he already said I'm going to say a few words. How many of you have seen me say only a few words? Hands up. Not happening. I can promise you the rest of the 3 hours I will be speaking. So let's get going, right? Yeah, right, Jesse? You know that. A very warm welcome and thank you all for being part of our very special celebration. Even though both our families from Bareilly and Nagpur were not able to join, no matter how hard we tried, this is the best we could come up with, and I think you guys have made this day the most wonderful day and the night and the evening of our lives. So thank you so much for being here. Celebrating 25 years of love and togetherness, people usually say that a man's behavior changes after he gets married. Agreed? Someone, maybe, I don't know. But Chand, you have proved this completely wrong. You're still as romantic and caring as you were when you started this journey. And in your words, here's the trick. You continue to be the hopeless romantic. I want you to know how much I have enjoyed annoying you all this time and how excited I am to keep doing so in the future. I remember in college, one of my friends had made a very funny comment for me. She said, Dimple will get married to a Sindhi guy who will be a vegetarian and does not drink alcohol. Well, to their surprise, you do not fit that profile at all, right? Agreed? So you're not a Sindhi, definitely not a vegetarian. But one thing I saw was when we first went to India after our wedding, my grandma thought that you look like a Sindhi. I have no idea why, and she really loved you just for that reason. My mom loved you and enjoyed feeding you a lot of food, as we all know, even if later that meant he has a very upset stomach. It didn't matter. I'm sure my dad, my sister, my brother, they all are very happy that you're taking care of the youngest in the family the way you are. So thank you for doing that. I feel very proud to be your wife because you're the one who surprises me every day, every month, every year, year after year, for your selfless love for me and your abilities to handle every situation with a smile. And cooking, yes, for sure. What I have learned in these 25 years is that marriage is not just about finding the right person. It's about the two of us coming together and then adjusting a lot of things together to make it right. Marriage is a relationship, I thought, in which one is always right, and guess who's the other one? The husband. So we've learned that trick. I do want to thank Prashant. I remember even to this day, on our wedding day, you had said, live your life together as if you just got married yesterday. And believe me, that's exactly what we do. Not a single day more than April 5th, 1996. I think, right? You know, Chan has stood along with me through my mood swings, through my pregnancies. I want to kind of share a few fun facts with you. He had to go to Taco Bell to get food for me when I was pregnant the first time. And guess what time it was? It was midnight. And if he didn't bring food back home, he was not going to be in the house. So he did bring me some. So that was good. We decided to stay together. Yes. I hope our married life continues to bloom this way for another 25 years. I think that's our agreement this time. So we'll try to keep that. The past 25 years have flown by so fast. But I think every moment of it is memorable for me. The one thing that has remained constant among everything that is changing is you. I mean, I don't see anything that has changed in you. I've tried a lot. Doesn't change. So thank you for being who you are. Thank you for being my best friend, my love, my strength, and my guide. Thank you for wiping off my fears, tears. I love you to the moon and back, probably more than anyone else can. So don't try to go find another one now. With you, I feel like I get better, and then with you, I feel complete. So I don't think there's any separation coming on anytime soon. Not letting you go. Thank you for choosing me as your life partner. And I'm very thankful to God for bringing us together and giving me the best husband there ever can be. You're definitely a blessing from God for me. And then, the other blessing I have is our three wonderful children, Sanya, Devin, and Neil. I think you make our garden of love the most beautiful garden there is. I really, really want to thank you for choosing us as your parents. What you're going to see and witness today is the most unusual thing the Singh family has done. We have broken a lot of rules. A lot of newness has come in. But I think we all pulled this together, and there's only one reason behind it. We all are doing it for you, Chan. So sit back, enjoy the show. Anju, you're going to be the life of the show, I know. Thank you so much for taking this responsibility at the last minute, but you rock. So here you are. Thank you.
God, you two are too gorgeous and too beautiful. Many, 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 many congratulations. You guys just heard right now, Chan just said he's the boss in the house, and Dimple just said she's the decision maker. So there you have it, right? Clears the picture. Well, you know, I don't know if you remember, but I think their wedding is 90s. And how many of us are 90s kids? We grew up in 90s. So I'm going to bore you with 90s a lot because they got married in 90s. I'm going to invite Neil here first because he's going to be doing his speech. And I'm going to test how much do you know about 90s when your parents got married. Come on, buddy. Okay, I'm just gonna give you a very funky question. What was the style in 1996? hairstyle in 1996?
96. I don't know. I wasn't even born yet. Oh, they're saying Mike.
Mike. Use the mic.
I'm gonna let you cheat.
Alright, the 90s style was plaid flannel shirts, ripped jeans, denim overalls, Guess jeans, rollerblades, fanny packs, Doc Martens, Reebok pumps, bucket hats, and scrunchies, a lot of which are still in style today. So.
All right, here is Neil, who is probably the fruit of the first love, from Dimple and Chan. He has a speech, so don't get emotional. It's gonna be funny and emotional.
I don't know if it's that funny, but alright, yeah. So I'm Neil, and when I look at my mom and dad, I'm reminded about how much they've sacrificed for me to be where I am and do the things that I'm doing. They also serve as a really great example of what love really is. I don't know how many of you guys know what like a legacy box is, but you ship off like physical photos and like recordings, and they ship them back, and you have them like digitally. And we got them back, and my dad pulled up a video on the computer, and it had some videos from their wedding, and then a trip they took to Niagara Falls shortly after I was born. And hold on, I gotta find that place. Yeah, there we go. I saw a lot of joy and love in their eyes, and what surprised me is that like I still see that same exact joy and love in their eyes, like every morning when they come down like to eat breakfast, when they're at lunch, or you know just doing like work. So they've like really shown me like that love is kind of it's not always like super in your face. It's kind of the little things that you do with somebody, like the little patterns that you get into. So that was pretty cool. They really have shown me what it means to find your lifelong partner, and that it's not always super easy, that marriage is a series of compromises with another person because of the love you share. The life they've built and the success they've had is ultimately a product of the love that they have between them. So congrats on 25 years, Mom and Dad, and I hope everybody has a good night tonight. Thanks.
I want to just talk a little bit about friendship. In 1996, one of the very popular TV serial was Friends. And I have to tell you, we call it IPH Friends. We have a lot of therapists, we went to the same school, who all of us are here, actually, quite a few who Chand and Dimple are close to. And I'm very proud to say that we are all so blessed to have friends who we've known for, I don't know, 30 plus years. It's like we were teenagers when we met each other, and we are still here, getting older and older and older and prettier. I don't know, guys are getting older, girls are getting prettier. So it's so important to all of us that friendship we carry over. And you know, fortunately or unfortunately, we know all the secrets of falling in love of Chand and Dimple, getting married, Chand and Dimple, having kids, Chand and Dimple. So how do you say Sudhir? How does Chand say?
किस्सा क्या है?
Kissa kya hai aaj ka? All the friends are going to be actually demonstrating their life in few minutes. So all the IPS people, please, let's go. So please enjoy the show because we all have put a lot of effort in it, and really kind of check it out carefully because it really describes their fun moments, their secrets, and their life of 25 years. So enjoy the show.
तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ, कहना चाहूँ भी तो तुमसे क्या कहूँ। तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ, कहना चाहूँ भी तो तुमसे क्या कहूँ। किसी ज़बान में भी वो लफ्ज़ ही नहीं कि जिनमें तुम हो क्या तुम्हें बता सकूं। मैं अगर कहूँ तुम सा हंसी कायनात में नहीं है कहीं, तारीफ ये भी तो सच है कुछ भी नहीं। तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ। शोखियों में डूबी ये अदाएं शहर से झलकी हुई है, जुल्फ की घनी घनी घटाएं मेरे दिल में छुपे और मुझे कुछ पता ना चला। पास हो तुम खड़े
One more or it? Okay, one more. प्यार बिना चैन कहाँ रे। अरे प्यार कर ले। यार हमें पैसा नहीं प्यार चाहिए, कोई मन चाह दिलदार चाहिए। ये भी होगा थोड़ा इंतजार कर ले। सोना नहीं चांदी नहीं यार तो मिला, अरे प्यार कर ले, अरे प्यार कर ले। सोना नहीं चांदी नहीं यार तो मिला, अरे प्यार कर ले, अरे प्यार कर ले। सोना नहीं चांदी नहीं यार तो मिला, अरे प्यार कर ले, अरे प्यार कर ले।
Work together and stay safe.
Thank you. Welcome everyone to, we call him Chand. With love we call him Chandu, but he's Chand Mohan Singh. And Dimple's 25th wedding anniversary. Everyone that you see here, they're all from the same school, back home in India. We've known each other for 30 years. Through thick and thin, good, bad, we laugh together, we cry together. Everything. We know each and every secret about everyone. We will be revealing few of them here. If today we are presenting when they met in Michigan first time, until today. But we have some people who just joined us today. About 2 hours ago, we did one practice with everyone together. Some of us are from Michigan, Illinois, Indiana, North Carolina. Yeah, Indiana ho gaya. So you guys can imagine that we've been doing Zoom. What? Abbe Illinois mein aa gaya na Chicago. So we all practice today. Yeah. So if there's any discrepancy in there, we apologize in advance. Thank you very much, guys. Go ahead. So if you guys remember Anju, she told earlier that Chandra Mohan is the boss. Absolutely true. Chandra Mohan is the boss. But you know, boss is the head of the house and Dimple is the neck. He only turns around wherever she turns around.
So she is the decision maker, right? And we're going to show you all that in just a few minutes.
Guys ready? One more. So, हिंदी सबको समझ में आती है? So एक बार चंद्र मोहन और डिम्पल, हमारे बहुत अच्छे मित्र सुधीर, उनके घर डिनर पे गए। सुधीर भाई मुझसे प्यार से बोलते हैं, यार चंद्र मोहन, हम प्यार से चांद बोलते हैं, anyway, चांद, यार मैं जब भी तुम्हें देखता हूं ना, मुझे राम सीता की याद आती। सचमुच आपकी जोड़ी बिल्कुल राम सीता जैसी है। चांद कहता है, यार वो तो ठीक है, पर मेरी नाम धरती में समाती है ना, इसको वो लेके जाता है। Go ahead.
आज कॉलेज का आखिरी दिन है और आने वाली जिंदगी के लिए सभी ने कुछ न कुछ सोच रखा है, लेकिन मैंने अपने लिए कुछ नहीं सोचा है। No really, I mean it। और आज मुझे बार बार एक ही ख्याल आ रहा है। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा।
क्या हाल चाल है? पाल आ गए? ऐसा है, आपको एक खुशखबरी देनी है। मुझे अमेरिका में जॉब मिल गई है। मैं कल घर आ रहा हूँ आपसे पापा से मिलने के लिए, ठीक है ना? अच्छा, पाल आ गए माता। यार संजय।
अरे चांद भाई, क्या हाल चाल है?
यहाँ पर तो बहुत बोरियत हो रखी है भाई, बहुत ही बर्बाद जगह है। सोचा था दोस्त अमेरिका में मिलेंगे, मजे शजे करेंगे, यहाँ पर तो अकेले में कुछ नहीं हो रहा भाई।
यार तू यहाँ मिशिगन में आ जा, लॉन्ग वीकेंड पे अप नॉर्थ चलते हैं।
क्या बात करते हो संजय भाई, आपने तो मेरे मन की बात बोल दी। चलो जल्दी मिलने का प्लान बनाते हैं, ठीक है?
अरे अलका, चांद आ रहा है, वो बहुत बोर हो रहा है बेचारा वहाँ पे। उसका बर्थडे भी आ रहा है। ऐसा करते हैं, उसके लिए एक सरप्राइज बर्थडे पार्टी प्लान करते हैं।
हाँ संजय, ये बहुत अच्छा आइडिया है। मैं सब ट्रेनिंग थेरेपिस्ट को भी बुला देती हूँ, उनको बोल देती हूँ कि बर्थडे प्लान कर रहे हैं अपने फ्रेंड का, तो वो मेरी हेल्प भी कर देंगे खाना बनाने में। अरे हाँ संजय, वो नई थेरेपिस्ट नागपुर वाली है ना डिम्पल, उसके पास कार है, उसको बोल देती हूँ कि वो केक ले आएगी सब उसके लिए, चांद के लिए, ठीक है?
ये तो बहुत अच्छा आइडिया है। चांद भाई, क्या हाल है? वेलकम टू मिशिगन।
ओए हो मेरी जान, चांद आ गया। ओए
अरे भाई साहब, मैं बता नहीं सकता आप लोगों को देखकर कितना मजा आ गया।
चांद यार आजा, आप सब वेट कर रहे हैं।
आई एम नॉट हंग्री गाइस।
बंद करिए टीवी, भूख लग रही है। आजा, सब एक साथ खाना खा लेते हैं।
आई विल ईट लेटर आफ्टर द मूवी इज डन।
सुनो भाई सब लोग, चांद नहीं आने वाला जब तक उसकी हिंदी मूवी खत्म नहीं होती। वेट करो अभी थोड़ी देर, बड़े दिनों बाद उसने हिंदी मूवी देखी है।
कितना अकड़ू बंदा है। हम सब ने इतनी तैयारी की है इसके लिए और जनाब टीवी देख रहे हैं। मुझे तो ये भी नहीं पता है बर्थडे किसका है और यहाँ भूख के मारे जान निकली जा रही है।
अरे चांद, इतना भाव क्यों खा रहा भाई? चल चल खाना खाते हैं। चांद आ गया। ओए आ जाओ सब।
Dancing Dimple for the first time. This is what happened.
जैसे मंदिर में हो एक जलता दिया। एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
थैंक यू मैडम, लेकिन एक बात बता दूं आपको, आज मेरा बर्थडे नहीं है।
अच्छा, तो फिर कब है?
18 तारीख होता है।
फिर मैं उसी दिन विश करूंगी, ऐਵੇਂ ही फालतू का ड्रामा लगा रखा है।
क्या बात कर रहे हो? बहुत देखें, कोई फोन शोन नहीं करता, सब बोलते रहते हैं, ठीक है ना?
ऐसे कैसे? हम सब लड़कियों की तरह नहीं है, जो कह दिया वो करके दिखाते हैं।
ठीक है, देख लेंगे 18 तारीख को।
ठीक है, चलो।
संतोष, रंजना को देखने के लिए सगना चलना है, चलेगा?
Chand, I don't have time today. Why don't you ask the new therapist Dimple to go with you for company?
अरे डिम्पल, आप चलोगे मेरे साथ सगना?
मैं कैसे जा सकती हूँ? इतना सारा काम पड़ा हुआ है, इतना पेपर वर्क पेंडिंग है, वो सब पूरा करना है। सॉरी, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है ऐसे सब फालतू कामों के लिए, मैं नहीं जा सकती।
बात मेरी मान, चल मेरे साथ।
नो बाबा, तेरे साथ।
आजा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जा, आजा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जा, आजा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जा, आजा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जा। लॉन्ग ड्राइव जाएंगे, फुल स्पीड जाएंगे, कहीं रुकेंगे ना हम। गाना बजाना, खाना पीना गाड़ी में होगा सनम। आजा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जा, आजा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जा। लॉन्ग ड्राइव जाएंगे, फुल स्पीड जाएंगे, कहीं रुकेंगे ना हम। गाना बजाना, खाना पीना गाड़ी में होगा सनम। आजा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जा, आजा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जा, आजा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जा, आजा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जा।
चांद, इतनी तेजी से क्यों चला रहे हो?
किस्सा क्या है? लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट फन एंड स्पीड।
Whatever.
अरे डिम्पल, कहीं खाना खाने चलते हैं क्या?
बात क्या है जनाब, अभी तो खा के निकले थे थोड़ी देर पहले। कहीं लाइन वाइन तो नहीं मार रहे हो?
यार, ये सब लड़कियों की समस्या क्या है, प्रॉब्लम क्या है, समझ नहीं आती मेरे को।
लड़की क्यों न जाने क्यों लड़कों सी नहीं होती, सोचती है ज्यादा कम वो समझती है, दिल कुछ कहता है कुछ और ही करती है। लड़की क्यों न जाने क्यों लड़कों सी नहीं होती, प्यार उसे भी है मगर शुरुआत तुम्हीं से चाहे, खुद में उलझी उलझी है पर बालों को सुलझाए। You're all the same यार, हम अच्छे दोस्त हैं पर उस नजर से तुमको देखा नहीं। वो सब तो ठीक है पर उस बारे में मैंने सोचा नहीं। सबसे अलग हो तुम ये कह के पास तुम्हारे आए, और कुछ दिन में तुम में अलग सा कुछ भी ना उसको भाए। उफ, ये कैसी शर्ट पहनते हो, ये कैसे बाल कटाते हो, गाड़ी तेज चलाते हो, तुम जल्दी में क्यों खाते हो? Give me a break। तुम्हें बदलने को पास वो आती है, तुम्हें मिटाने को चाल बिछाती है, बातों बातों में तुम्हें फंसाती है, पहले हंसाती है फिर बड़ा रुलाती है। न जाने क्यों लड़कों सी नहीं होती।
दोस्तों, thank you very much for the birthday party, and I'm gonna tell you I had a lot of fun. Thank you again, and I'll see you guys later.
मजा आ गया, मजा आ गया।
हेलो, कौन है?
पहचानो कौन?
मुझे क्या पता भाई, आप कौन हो?
अच्छा जी, इतनी जल्दी भूल गए?
अच्छा, डिम्पल।
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
क्या बात है, आपने फोन कर लिया?
आपने क्या सोचा था कि मैं भूल जाऊंगी? जो बोला वो करके दिखाया।
अरे आपने तो सचमुच में फोन कर दिया, क्या बात है, थैंक यू।
सुनिए
कहिए कहिए
सुनिए सुनिए
कहिए कहिए ना।
सुनिए कहते सुनते बातों बातों में प्यार हो जाएगा। सुनिए
कहिए कहिए
सुनिए सुनिए
कहिए कहिए ना।
सुनिए कहते सुनते बातों बातों में प्यार हो जाएगा। प्यार हो जाएगा।
डिम्पल कैसी हो, क्या चल रहा है?
मैं तो अच्छी हूँ, मैं फोन करने ही वाली थी।
अच्छा, मुझे कुछ आपसे स्पेशल बात करनी थी।
मुझे भी कुछ कहना है।
मुझे कुछ कहना है।
मुझे भी कुछ कहना है।
मुझे कुछ कहना है।
मुझे भी कुछ कहना है। पहले तुम पहले तुम देखो, जिस तरह लखनऊ के दो नवाबों की गाड़ी पहले आप करके निकल गई थी, उस तरह हमारी पहले तुम में ये मस्ती भरे रुक न चली जाए।
अच्छा मैं कहती हूँ, अक्सर कोई लड़की सुहानी किसी लड़की से साल में सालनी जो कहती है वो मुझे कहना है।
अक्सर कोई लड़का इस हाल में किसी लड़की से 16वें साल में जो कहता है वो मुझे कहना है।
अक्सर कोई लड़की
अक्सर कोई लड़का
अक्सर कोई
हाँ डिम्पल, ऐसा है कि एक बात करनी थी, दिमाग में बड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो रखा है, क्या बोलूँ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। मेरे को तुमसे प्यार हो गया है। आई लव यू डिम्पल।
ये लो, इतना टाइम लगा दिया, क्या सोच रहे थे अब तक? आई लव यू टू चांद।
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम। तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम। अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम, तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम।
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना
ऐसा है, मेरी माँ मेरे पीछे पड़ी हुई है शादी के लिए। तुम क्या कहती हो?
मैं क्या बोलूं?
कब तक जवानी छुपाओगे रानी, शादी करोगी, मुझसे शादी करोगी, मुझसे शादी करोगी, मुझसे शादी करोगी, और कब तक जवानी छुपाओगी रानी, तुम्हारों को कितना सताओगी रानी, कभी तो किसी की दुल्हनिया बनोगी, मुझसे शादी करोगी,
लेकिन एक प्रॉब्लम है।
वो क्या?
मेरे भैया नहीं मानेंगे।
अब भाई, ए भाई क्यों नहीं मानेगा भाई? भैया को मना लेंगे, ऐसी क्या बात हो गई है?
क्योंकि वो जरा हटके हैं।
तुम पर हम हैं अटके यारा, दिल भी मारे झटके हो, क्योंकि तुम हो हटके। अरे तुम पर हम हैं अटके यारा, दिल भी मारे झटके हो, क्योंकि तुम हो हटके।
इससे पहले मेरी माँ मेरी शादी कहीं और करा दे, हम लोग शादी कर लेते हैं, ठीक है ना?
ठीक है, आज नहीं तो कल तो करनी ही है। लेट्स डू इट।
डिम्पल चलो तैयार हो जाओ, मैं तुम्हें हेल्प कर देती हूँ तैयार होने में। चांद से इंतजार नहीं हो रही है।
यूपी वाला ठुमका लगाओ, यूपी वाला ठुमका लगाओ, के हीरो जैसे नाच के दिखाओ। यूपी वाला ठुमका लगाओ, के हीरो जैसे नाच के दिखाओ। नाच के दिखाओ गोरी, नाच के दिखाओ, नाच के दिखाओ गोरी, नाच के दिखाओ। संग संग तुझे भी नचाओ, के हीरो जैसे नाच के दिखाओ। संग संग तुझे भी नचाओ, के हीरो जैसे नाच के दिखाओ। अरे यूपी वाला ठुमका लगाओ, के हीरो जैसे नाच के दिखाओ।
बोले चूड़ियां, बोले कंगना, हाय मैं हो गई तेरी साजना। तेरे बिन जियो नहीं लगता, मैं तो मर गया। ले चले जा, ले चले जा, ले चले जा, सोनिया ले चले जा, ले चले जा। बोले चूड़ियां, बोले कंगना, हाय मैं हो गई तेरी साजना। बोले चूड़ियां, बोले कंगना, हाय मैं हो गई तेरी साजना। तेरे बिन जियो नहीं लगता, मैं मर गया। ले चले जा, सोनिया ले चले जा, दिल ले चले जा।
रूप तेरा सोना, सोनी तेरी पायल। रूप तेरा सोना सोना, सोनी तेरी पायल। छन छना छन ऐसे छन के करते सबको घायल। कह रहा खोदा का जल, इश्क में जीना मरना। Say shala shala, Maria say shala shala, Maria say shala shala, Maria say shala shala. Yeah. You're a honey singer.
name of this love story, Dimple. So the name of this love story is called Jab We Met. Chandu and Dimple. It's produced by them, directed by them, it's inspired by them. It's based on true events. We only took some creative liberties. Thank you guys.
My God, what a beautiful couple. First, give it up for everybody, please. My goodness, what a performance. Come on, you can do better than this. Let me hear it out. Give it up for everybody, come on. Woo! That took a lot of hard work, definitely. I just want to wish you guys again a very happy anniversary. Many, 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 many happy returns of the day to the beautiful couple. Moving on, I just want to share something really funny. I'm going to take the liberty, as Mukesh said, we do sometimes. So, one night, John and Dimple, they're sleeping. And then Dimple all of a sudden wakes up and looks at John. He's still sleeping. She wakes him up. She goes, "What are you doing in my dreams? You're running after some other girl." And John looks at her, "What? No, I wasn't doing that." "Oh, see, if you do that in my dreams, I have no idea what you do in your dreams." Darn it. Poor John. But anyway, just for the fun. I would like to invite two little ones, Sania and Davin, for saying some beautiful words for the 25th wedding anniversary for the parents.
Hello, Chand and Dimple, where are you guys? Chand. So, you know, in most American wedding जब जाते हैं वो गिलास पे टकराते हैं, उनको कुछ करना होता है दूल्हा दुल्हन को, तो यहाँ पे कुछ डिफरेंट है। इन दोनों का एक गाना है जिसपे उन्होंने डांस किया था, कहीं ये सुनिए। जब भी वो गाना बजेगा, आप दोनों को एक दूसरे को ढूंढना है और आगे फिक्स करना है। और you guys want to do the class thing? Okay, let's do the dance.
Alright, okay. So, if you didn't know, my name is Nevin. I'm a man of very few words, so I'm going to keep this quick. So, you might not have noticed, but on both of the sides, there's been a slideshow playing of a bunch of photos from throughout my parents' life. And I was the one who put that together. And when I was going through all those photos, one thing that I saw, besides the many like funny moments and weird poses my dad likes to make, is that he and my mom still look at each other the same way they did in these photos from like so long ago. And I'd just like to say that the love that you guys share is very powerful. And I'd like to thank you both for being such good parents. Alright, so yeah.
Hi everybody, I'm Sonia, their youngest child. What still amazes me is how my parents found each other over hundreds of miles of land and sea. I mean, they both just happened to come to the US and work as physical and occupational therapists. There was such a small chance that they would meet each other, which shows me that they're really meant to be. And throughout my life, I've seen how well they work in tough, uncertain times and in bright and wonderful times. So thank you both for showing me what a healthy and loving relationship is. I wish you both another great 25 years together. Thank you.
बातों बातों में प्यार हो जाएगा। सुनिए 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 कहते सुनते बातों बातों में प्यार हो जाएगा। प्यार हो जाएगा।
Good job, Daniel.
Hi Chandraji, hi Dimpleji. Happy Silver Jubilee wedding anniversary.
Dear Dimple ji and Chandra ji, wish you both a very happy Silver Jubilee wedding anniversary, happy 25th wedding anniversary. We met you in Chinmaya Mission maybe around 10 years ago. Time just flies. Your dedication to the mission is actually an inspiration to many of us.
And your children are wonderful for the Chinmaya family as a whole. They are the most dedicated children I have come across. So as a whole, yours is the top-notch family I have come across in Chinmaya Mission. Thank you, and we wish you many
more wonderful years of togetherness with health, wealth and happiness.
Yes.
Thank you.
Hari Om, Dimple ji and Chandra ji. We are blessed to be part of your life and this celebration.
May this wedding day brings to both of you happiness, auspiciousness and well-being through service to people as worship of God. May your household life lead to your liberation.
May Gurudev's blessing and the Lord's grace be always with you and the family.
We wish you a happy silver wedding anniversary. Hari Om.
We wish you a very happy 25th anniversary, Dimple ji and Chandra ji.
Hari Om, Chandra ji and Dimple ji. You are the most ideal couple that we have known in Onkar Vamsh. And I personally wish you a very, very happy anniversary and successful completion of 25 years. And you have raised 3 wonderful kids. And you are an ideal couple for many people to follow. Thank you very much and happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, Dimple ji and Chandra ji. I am glad to be a part of this celebration. I have known you all for about a decade or more. We've been associated with each other at Chinmaya Mission and at work. And it's always a pleasure to work with you all. You are such sincere, down-to-earth, helpful people. And I always appreciated what you all do to the community. Your children also are coming out very well. They're doing very well in everything they do, and they're in Chinmaya Mission. And I always see them, watch them, and I really appreciate the way you brought them up. May God bless you, may Gurudev also bless you in everything you all do, and may you all have a long and happy married life together.
Hello, my name is Shank Balaji. I'm singing a song for Dimple and Chandra Singh for their 25th wedding anniversary. Chandra ji will sing first and then reply will be given by Dimple ji. ये देख के दिल झुमा ले प्यार ने अंगड़ाई दीवाना हुआ बादल सावन की घटा छाई ये देख के दिल झुमा ली प्यार ने अंगड़ाई दीवाना हुआ बादल. Dimple ji sings. जब तुमसे नजर टकराई सनम जज्बात का एक तूफान उठा, तिनके की तरह मैं बह निकली, तिनके की तरह मैं बह निकली। सैलाब मेरे रोके न रुका, सैलाब मेरे रोके न रुका। जीवन में मची हलचल और बजने लगी शहनाई, ये देख के दिल झूमा।
साथिया तूने क्या किया, बेलिया ये तूने क्या किया।
मैंने किया तेरा इंतजार,
इतना करो ना मुझे प्यार, इतना करो ना मुझे प्यार।
साथिया तूने क्या कहा, बेलिया ये तूने क्या कहा।
यूं ना कभी करना इंतजार,
मैंने किया है तुमसे प्यार, मैंने किया है तुमसे प्यार।
साथिया तूने क्या किया, बेलिया ये तूने क्या किया।
Dear Chandra ji and
Happy anniversary.
and many more fun, healthy and happy ones to come. Have a wonderful day.
Happy anniversary.
विवाहदिनमिदं भवतु हर्षदं मङ्गलं तथा त्वां च क्षेमदम्। विवाहदिनमिदं भवतु हर्षदं मङ्गलं तथा त्वां च क्षेमदम्। प्रतिदिनं नवं प्रेमवर्धतं, प्रतिदिनं नवं प्रेमवर्धतं। शतगुणं कुलं सदा हि मोदतं, शतगुणं कुलं सदा हि मोदतम्। लोकसेवया देवपूजनं गृहस्थजीवनं भवतु मोक्षदम्। लोकसेवया देवपूजनं गृहस्थजीवनं भवतु मोक्षदम्। विवाहदिनमिदं भवतु हर्षदं मङ्गलं तथा त्वां च क्षेमदम्। विवाहदिनमिदम्।
And that song by Swamiji Tejomayananda means, may this wedding day bring forth to you happiness, auspiciousness, and well-being. Day by day, may you discover new love for each other. May it grow 100-fold and your families ever rejoice. Through service to people as worship of God, may your household life lead you to liberation. Happy anniversary, Dimple Ji and Chandra Ji.
Happy anniversary, Dimple ji.
Thinking you will be able to make it, and Dimple and Chand want to really thank you, and we always want to thank you for being here. So really appreciate it. This is incredible. This talks about the bond you two share. This is so important. Okay, moving on. Are you guys having fun? Who is not having fun? I want you to raise your hand who's not having fun. Or get out of the hall. Get out. You first. Go. I would like to invite our guest of honor here with their toast. So I want to make sure every single person in this hall has a toast in their hand. But actually, to keep the marriage brimming, in a loving cup of toast, it's for you, Chan. If you are wrong, just toast it. If you're right, just shut up. Okay? That's the key to your toast and your happy marriage. I just wish all your ups and downs only end up in the bedroom. I really wish you guys have many more years to come and have a beautiful, beautiful love and laughter full with these 3 children the rest of your life, and keep entertaining all the friends like us. So here is to the beautiful couple for tonight. All right, guys, raise your toast. Come on, I'm getting to mine. Raise your toast. Come on. All right. Happy anniversary. Happy 25 years to you. All right, everybody, bottoms up. And the dinner is ready. So please enjoy your dinner.
Chand called India after the I love you thing happened. So he called India to get the blessings from his dad, especially dad. He said, Dad, मेरे को शादी करनी है. And the first thing his father said, say sorry. He said, यार मैंने इतना बोला कि शादी. He said, no, say sorry. Yeah, I mean, what's wrong with this? All I'm going to do is just get married. I love this girl. He said, no, just say sorry. He simply said sorry. He said, ab bolo. If you say sorry without knowing the reason, you're ready to get married.
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम। तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम। अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाएं हम, तेरी बाहों में मर जाएं हम।
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम। अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम, तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम।
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम।
सपने तेरे दिल मेरा यादें तेरी।
देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम।
अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम, तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम।
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम। सामने बैठी रहे मैं तुझे देखा करूं।
तूने आवाज दी देख मैं आ गई, प्यार से है बड़ी क्या पसंद।
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम।
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम।
अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम, तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम।
तेरी बाहों में मर जाए
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। आप सबको डिम्पल जी और चंद्रा जी की 25th एनिवर्सरी पर सबको बधाई शुभकामना। और यहाँ पर चंद्रा जी और डिम्पल जी का बड़ा भाव था कि पंडित जी आप आकर 2 शब्द बोले। तो मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा कि अभी हमने सुबह में पूजा की टेम्पल में, और पूजा के बाद ब्लेसिंग दिए कि आपको वर्ल्ड के जो भी कंफर्ट हो आपको प्राप्त हो। तो उसका परिणाम अभी भी मिल गया, क्योंकि डिम्पल जी को देखो पूरा डायमंड से सज गई है, पूरा डायमंड ही डायमंड दिख रहा है।
जिंदगी के लिए बस एक सनम चाहिए आशिकी के लिए। जाम की जरूरत है जैसे, जाम की जरूरत है जैसे बेखुदी के लिए। हाँ एक सनम चाहिए आशिकी के लिए, बस एक सनम चाहिए आशिकी के लिए। वक्त के हाथों में सबकी तकदीरें हैं, वक्त के हाथों में सबकी तकदीरें हैं। आईना झूठा है सच्ची तस्वीरें हैं। जहाँ दर्द है वहीं गीत है, जहाँ प्यास है वहीं मीत है। कोई ना जाने मगर जीने की यही रीत है। साज की जरूरत है जैसे, साज की जरूरत है जैसे मौसीकी के लिए। बस एक सनम चाहिए आशिकी के लिए। हाँ एक सनम चाहिए आशिकी के लिए। मंजिलें हासिल हैं फिर भी एक दूरी है। मंजिलें हासिल हैं फिर भी एक दूरी है। बिना हमराही के जिंदगी अधूरी है। मिलेगी कहीं कोई रह गुजर, तन्हा कटेगा कैसे ये सफर। मेरे सपने हो जहां ढूंढूं मैं ऐसी नजर। चांद की जरूरत है जैसे, चांद की जरूरत है जैसे चांदनी के लिए। बस एक सनम चाहिए आशिकी के लिए। सांसों की जरूरत है जैसे, सांसों की जरूरत है जैसे जिंदगी के लिए। बस एक सनम चाहिए आशिकी के